Safeguard and protect what matters most. About Affinity Insurance Services, Inc. Affinity Insurance Services, Inc. combines the specialized knowledge of affinity program management with the extensive resources of a global company to help clients achieve their goals. With an innovative approach to program strategy, from the design of products and services to the delivery of the marketing message, Affinity offers full-service capabilities, technical expertise, and industry knowledge to deliver value to clients. Visit http://www.aon.com Affinity for more information.